Blackhead Remover, 6-in-1 Facial Pore Cleanser Standable USB Rechargeable Facial Skin Treatment Beauty Tool for women men with LED display. How to choose 6 multifunctional probe. Big size circular form probe, designed to remove blackhead and lifting skin with large suction for all type of skin. Small size circular form probe, designed to remove the blackhead with weaker suction for sensitive skin or beginner. Micro Beauty Probe, large surface area with high adsorption that can remove the dead skin from the stratum corneum, make your skin become brighten and tender. Rolling Massage Probe, with the special rolling ball design it can massage and relieve the fatigue or swelling in case to promote blood circulation. Oval Beauty Probe, pulling the canthus and the corner of mouth, effect to inner skin deeply, stimulate the microcirculation to operate, prevent the growing of wrinkle. Large Suction Probe, designed to eliminate the body toxin, reduce body burden and relieve the fatigue of body. How to use. Before using, use a hot steamer to open up your face pores. According to your requirements, choose among the 5-level suction. Start with the lowest. Every working process should keep in 4-6 minutes. Don't use too long one time. After skin care, coat your pores some essence or cold water to shrink pores, and please pay more attention on moisturizing and sun care. What's included? Komodo Suction Device X1, Big Circle Probe X1, Small Circle Probe X1, Microdermabrasion Probe X1, Rolling Massage Pro X1, Oval Beauty Probe X1, Large Suction Probe X1, Sponge X5, Silica Gel Ring X2, USB Charging Wire X1. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us. Newest 2018 upgraded material, ABS/Pages, size 72*19 in, power 5W, power supply voltage DC 5V/1A. Bone Care Blackhead Remover uses the Micro Beauty Head probe with more than 1 million natural mineral particles, and will soften your skin by removing dead skin from your face. Adjustable suction force with one-click design, provides 6 removable probes with the different shape suctions to meet different facial needs. Blackhead problem solved. Coarse pore, rough skin, dark skin, exfoliates dead skin, blackhead and pores of skin, dirt nose, firm and improves skin elasticity. Easily cleans up the blackhead, removes dirt grease inside pores, reduces dead skin and fine lines, massage and tighten the skin. Professional design, one key operation, touch button with 5 intensity levels, USB charging, small and exquisite appearance and ease to use. Because of this, you can take it anywhere with no trouble. Take a trip with it, take a date with it, wherever you go, your skin will always be tender. Portable, safe and convenient to use, easy for daily use, suitable for different skin types, non-toxic and harmless. The mildness has been clinically verified. High quality guaranteed. This blackhead remover is made of good ABS material with CE, FCC, RoHS certificate on the LED display that can easily notice not only the intensity level but also the new timing function, make you relieved to use. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product, please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.